Hi everyone. Hello. Hi.
वेलकम दीपिका.
Thank you.
सवाल बहुत सारे थे. I'm like, you very gorgeous. बस मस्तानी is very gorgeous. या एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए वो बाजीराव मस्तानी.
नितिन इतना बोलता है, दीपिका को देख के बोलती बंद हो गई. देखो
बिल्कुल ऐसा तो पता है. आपके साथ भी होता है कभी कभी मस्तानी को देख के ऐसा?
तो रोज क्या
दीपिका, आपके लिए सवाल. 12 साल काफी ज्यादा इमोशनल जर्नी रही भंसाली साहब के लिए. रणवीर ने हमें बोला था गोलियों की रासलीला रामलीला वाज मोर ऑफ अ प्रेप फॉर दिस, है ना? एकदम ऐसा ही प्रेपरेशन थी. तो अभी व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
It didn't feel at that time. At that time when we were doing Ram Leela, it felt like I was doing the biggest film of my career at that point. And I was like, you know, it's so difficult and it's going to take me so long to work with him again if he ever offered me a film at that point.
Right.
And now, after experiencing Bajirao Mastani, I feel like Ram Leela was so easy. It was such a breeze. And yes, I agree with Ranveer कि कहीं ना कहीं वो लगता है कि it was like a rehearsal. It was like a prep. And I'm glad we went through that experience because it's made me understand this man so well that I don't think this performance would have been possible if I hadn't understood his potential as a director and what he expects from all of us as actors.
अच्छा, you understood him somewhat? I have not still, and I don't think I ever will.
I think so.
The enigmatic Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Master craftsman auteur, and I'm damn proud to be Bajirao, man.
I haven't seen the trailer either, so I have butterflies in my stomach and I'm as excited as you guys are because I'm also going to be experiencing it for the first time.
Me too, first time.
I'm a bit overwhelmed right now. Wow. That's not a movie, that's an experience. It's incredible. I mean, it sounds stupid coming from the actor, but I can't tell you I can't even explain what I'm feeling right now. I'm borderline emotional. I might break down any minute. But it's been an amazing journey. I think only those of us who have worked on this film will know what we're talking about. Blood, sweat, tears, fights, drama, love, passion, hard work. Yeah, it's a lot of hard work. It's not easy, but when you see that, it's all worth it. And thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to be your Mastani. Each one of us had a diction coach separately. Ranveer was working on his, Priyanka was working on hers, and I think for them it was the most difficult because to get that pronunciation correct, to speak with that accent, though she's done a Maharashtrian role before, right? So,
yeah.
But Ranveer, I know.
300-year-old dialect, so I think for Ranveer and me both it was a little overwhelming. Yeah. We went from sounding South Indian to North Indian, then finally landing on Maharashtra.
So each one of us had a dedicated diction coach who would be with us on set all the time. Of course, Prakash ji was also available to us at any given point. Anything that we wanted to improvise as far as dialogues were concerned, language that we didn't understand, if we wanted to simplify something or make it more the character, because sometimes after a point you become so much a part of the character in the film that you can start building your own, developing your own dialogues or making it your own. So he was always there around to help us with that. In fact, you usually see a trailer first and then songs. We're probably one of the first films that has released a couple of songs before the trailer. We had a teaser which had released in July, if I'm not mistaken. So that's entirely the call of the director and of the marketing team in terms of how do they want to space out the content, how do they want to position the film, what is it that they want to say first. In fact, the very first thing which I guess no other Indian film has done was to release our teaser so much in advance. It's probably never happened. Usually happens for some of your big Hollywood films. We're probably the first Indian film that has done that. So in a lot of ways, we've done a lot of firsts in a lot of ways, and we mixed it up. We released songs before a trailer. Usually you'll see a trailer, then you'll see the songs. So there's no real formula to that, really. It's not definitely not what you think it is.
Lipika here, Deepika and Ranveer.
उषा जी
नहीं, Lipika.
लिपिका जी
How are you?
बहुत दूर बैठी हैं हेलो
Anyway, my question is.
Not interested. She's like, anyway, get to the point.
Very sorry. Was my
फोड़ने वाली हैं आप
slip of my tongue. Slip of my tongue. Anyway, my question is, that scene was really meticulously shot when Deepika is galloping on the horse and she goes ahead of Ranveer. You make women proud, man. What was your feeling like, Deepika, that time, and Ranveer as well, you?
मुझे तो लग रहा है भाई बड़ी तेज है
No, it's definitely, I think there was a lot of care and caution that was taken when we were shooting, especially the war sequences, the fight sequences. Because earlier in the year, we had an accident where he had fallen off and broken his shoulder. For me, the horse riding sequences fortunately came much later. So I think that by the time we had to shoot together, the trial and error we had worked that out, and we were a lot more careful of how not to probably go through that experience again. So we had all the safety precautions, everything was taken care of. And I think the positive side to that is that as an actor, that's probably one of the best things as an actor, that you get to learn so many different things. We've learned Kalaripayattu, we've learned sword fighting, we've learned horse riding. I've had to learn Kathak for this film. So as an actor, you get to learn so many new things which are specific to your character, which I probably would not have done otherwise. But yes, that particular sequence was, it's you shoot it like any other scene, but yes, we've taken care of everything in terms of safety.
With this scene, needless to say that Deepika is here to give tough competition to the Bollywood male-dominated scenario.
With the Pinga song, there is a lot of comparison being drawn to Dola Re. What would you like to say on that?
Buddy, she just left.
देखा कैसे एन वक्त पे उड़न छू
Okay. I
No, I'm right here,
understand.
guys. Come on.
Very.
आए है कहाँ है
I
वॉइस ऑफ
understand-
गॉड
I understand.
बिग बॉस हाँ बोलो डोला रे डोला बोलो
No, I think कि दोनों बहुत अलग situations हैं और दोनों बहुत अलग scenarios हैं. Pinga is, obviously the comparisons will happen because it's two contemporary actresses working together, look dressed in Indian, Sanjay sir's film. But if you put that aside, just see the scenario. Mastani और काशी जब dance कर रहे हैं, metaphor for saying that for today, आज हल्दी कुमकुम का festival है, आज के लिए हर चीज को भुला देते हैं, बस उस बात को याद रखते हैं कि we celebrate womanhood today. And that's what they do. They come together to celebrate their love for the men that they are absolutely in love with, and it happens to be the same guy. And I think that for that one moment in time, they've forgotten everything that happened between them, and it's Kashi welcoming Mastani to the folds of just out of courtesy of being a human and a woman, and being respectful of that. And I think that's a very big statement, just in terms of empowerment as well, that women need to support each other. And that's a very different scenario for us, so that's why I think they kind of didn't like
I
each
think
other.
she
They
said,
kind of like each other.
I understand why there is comparison. It's the same director. You have two heroines dancing together, which is probably not a very, very common thing. But in every other way, there's no reason for comparison. The situation in this film over here is completely different. Here it's a song of celebration, and I think she explained the entire situation to you. What more But yes, I think we were very, very excited. We were very happy that we got this opportunity to shoot this song together. Priyanka is the first film person I ever met when I came in, when I had not even joined the industry, and she was already a huge star even back then. So she was the first friend that I made when I came in. And I have to tell you that we were so comfortable when we were shooting. It troubled a
Much
few...
to Sanjay sir's dismay.
I was just going to say, it troubled a few people because I think it went against what a lot of people thought it would be. I think people expected it to be, there to be a lot of tension. I think they expected there to be a lot of, what is she wearing? What am I wearing?
Trailblazers.
Who's
It's in our
dancing?
DNA to break the rule.
So, and it was completely different. In fact, Sanjay sir would keep joking with us and saying, what, like, why can't you guys like just fight, or, you know, you all to do pugdi from the van and come. So it was great fun. It was great fun. It was very difficult, and I think we've watched each other's backs when we were shooting this song. If there were steps that you know, I found difficult, she would encourage me. If she found something difficult, I would encourage her. There were days when we both wanted to give up, and there were days when we both came in with the same kind of energy. So it's been a lot of fun, and I couldn't have asked for a better partner to do that.